shoot you, dude.
On May 12, 2025, an Aurora officer responded to a suspicious person call at an airport parking lot on East 56th Avenue. Employees reported a man checking vehicle door handles and refusing to leave. When the officer made contact, the situation escalated quickly, leading to a confrontation captured on body camera.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
Address is,
Okay, and is that a house, an apartment, a business?
it's a business, it's a parking lot, it's the parking spot.
Thank you. What's the phone number you're calling from?
Phone number is,
And what is your name, please?
my name is Laandra Butler. It's spelled Laandra.
Landra, tell me exactly what happened.
So we have a guy that we've given a couple waters, and he's just sitting in the office, but he seems like he's off some type of drug or something, and there's another lady in there that's working, and she's feeling uncomfortable.
Okay, do you think he needs an ambulance or just somebody to come out and check on him?
Just somebody to come check on him. I don't think he needs an ambulance.
Okay. Any weapons seen?
No.
Okay. And I want to get his description. Do you know his name by chance?
No, I don't know him. I haven't even seen him at all. The lady just came out to my window because I'm in a different booth from inside the building.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Hey, man, what's going on today? Where are your shoes at? You need to talk to me? You need to tell me what's wrong? What's going on today? Huh? Well, I don't know. Why are you back in this gate? Huh? Why don't you have any shoes on? Don't be messing with that. Don't be messing with that. Quit. Stop messing with that. Do you know how to listen to what I'm telling you to do? Huh? Okay, you need to leave. Back off of me. Shoes belt, start me, emergency cover. Get back! I'm gonna shoot you, dude. Get back. Get off me, man. What are you doing? Come on. You're not in trouble. What? You're not in trouble. You're not in trouble, man. Step it up, step it up. Hey, man, help me! Huh? Get back. Get back. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. I'm going to shoot you if you do not get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now! Stop! Get back! I am gonna shoot you, dude! Back up! Get down! 212 shots fired. Stay down! Put your hands out! 212. Shots fired. I'm okay. Suspect is down. He got my magazines off my belt. We tussled on the ground for a while. I need fire hot. I need more cars here. I'm okay. I got him at gunpoint still, waiting for more cars. I'm good. Maybe here. Yeah, Denver's out with me. Still waiting on fire. Okay. Denver's getting in the secured part. He's coming up to me now. He's coming up now. We're gonna get him in cuffs and start providing aid. I just need fire here next. Keep that gate open for the fire truck. No gun. He tried to disarm me several times. I think he had my taser at one point. No, he has no gun.
You know where he was shot?
Twice in the chest.
Twice in the chest?
I believe so.
Let's flip him over.
Okay.
You got anything to put pressure on?
Yeah. Need some gloves on. Any gloves?
The suspect was taken to a nearby hospital with life-threatening injuries and died shortly after arrival. The officer suffered minor injuries and was placed on administrative leave while the 17th Judicial District CERT investigates the shooting. Aurora police are also conducting their own internal review, as required after any use of deadly force. If you want more real-world footage like this, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out the other cases on the channel.